This video is going to describe how to load and view the study guide videos for the Accounting 2020 Final Exam Study Guide. Most of you should have the following two files sent to you by your instructors. The actual questions are in one PDF file, and then this Word file will provide you with the solutions and also a video. The easiest browser to use is Mozilla Firefox. So I recommend that you go and change your browser default to Mozilla Firefox and download Mozilla Firefox if you don't have it on your computer. I want to show you how to view videos that have multiple pages, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Chapter 2 Study Guide Solutions video as an example. So it tells me that I have to both control and left click while I am hovering over the blue link there. So I'm going to do that. And now it has pulled up in Mozilla Firefox, because I had already switched that to be my default, this file. If you do not have the latest version of Adobe Reader, clicking here would send you to Adobe's website to download the most recent version. I already have it loaded. This is not how to watch the video. The videos are in what are called a playable PDF. So when you come up here and you get this black bar showing up, you have to download the video using the little down arrow and the underline. Don't click open the video. That's opening it in a PDF viewer. We need to download it so we can get it in a playable form. So I'm now going to click download. My computer has already set it up that it asks me if I want to save the file or open the file. Some of yours may automatically come up with opening the file. I have told my computer that to open PDF documents, it opens it in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Again, if you don't have the most recent Adobe Reader, it won't load correctly. So now, here we go, click on open with. You could actually save the file to your computer if you wanted. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Now we're going to open the file, and now it is in the playable PDF form. You can see the navigation bar down here in the bottom center. But this is too small. I can't read this very well. Before I close this left-hand column side, you will notice that this particular video is going to encompass 2 pages. I will show you how to navigate that in a minute. I'm going to close this so I can get more working screen space. And then by clicking anywhere in here in this gray part of the document, I can hold down my control and hit the plus button, and that makes it go bigger and bigger. This is just so that I can have a bigger screen to work with. Now, I don't like this black control box down here in the way, so I like to move it all the way up here to the top right hand corner. That gets it out of my way as I'm viewing. I still yet have not hit the play button yet, but before I do that, I wanted to draw your attention to the sidebar, which is going to drag us down not only all the way through the first document, but the second document. There's actually 2 pages on this document. Okay, now when I hit the play button, you will hear my voice on the video start. So I want to just show you how that works. This pencast is for Accounting 2020 Final Exam Study Guide, pages 2 through 5, and will cover the building blocks of managerial accounting. Okay, I want to pause that now and just let you know how to navigate in a pencast. If, of course, you want to go right down through all of the questions, by the way, the chapter 2 here just starts with question number 4, you can, of course, let the video play through. Notice your navigation bar up here in the top right-hand corner. I moved it up, but this is also how you can move through the video. But let's say particularly you don't want to listen to all of the descriptions. Maybe you feel very comfortable with questions numbers 4 through 11, let's say. As you can see, these questions are kind of grayed out. That means that the video hasn't played through them yet. But let's say you were really comfortable with chapter questions 4 through 11, but you wanted help with question 12 and 13. I'm going to go ahead and move my screen down so that I can see question 12 and 13. Now I have that completely in the middle of my screen here. But I want to draw your attention to this little red dot. You follow the little red dot and put it anywhere and it will jump the video right to that point in time. So when I click on this, you will hear my voice again start to talk, but it's jumped it all the way to question number 12.
Questions 12 and 13 are related, so we will discuss them together. Again, our concept here is...
And you can see that up in the upper right-hand corner, it has jumped our time through that. And then it would go through. Again, if I pull my right-hand bar down a little bit, it will move it over to page 2. Again, page 2 of this document starts with question number 14. And you could do the same thing again. Like again, let's say that you're really good with question number 14 and 15, but you want to jump to question 16. Now I can just put my little red dot down here.
Inventory T account.
Okay, hopefully that shows you how to get into the videos easily using Mozilla Firefox. Don't forget to download first, then open it in Adobe Reader DC, and then also how to navigate through the pencast a little bit if you don't want to watch the whole video. Thanks and have a great time. Get started studying for that final.